introduce myself. My name is Beta Olivia Rosalina Banusro. I am a 2D semester student on the SPKPN Sentani Duyuero. In this video, I will discuss the context and political condition in the New Testament era. The New Testament was written in the context of Roman rule in Palestine in the 1st century AD. At that time, Palestine was under Roman rule and the Roman government had a great influence on the social, economic, and political life of the Jewish people. The political condition include three, namely Roman power, local government, and conflict between Jews and Romans. Next, why is it important to discuss the political context and condition in the New Testament era? Here is the explanation. Firstly, discussing the political context and condition in New Testament times help understand the historical context behind the New Testament text. Second, the political context help understand the message of the New Testament and how it was relevant to people's life at that time. Third, the political context help to understand the role of Jesus and the apostles in the context of Roman power and local government. Fourth, discuss the political context and condition in the New Testament era, help understand the theological implication of the New Testament message and how it is relevant to modern life. The following are the political conditions in New Testament times. The first is the conflict between the Jews and the Romans. There was conflict between the Jewish community and the Roman government, mainly related to religious and political issues. Second, the Zealot movement was a political movement that sought to overthrow Roman rule and restore Jewish independence. Third, the role of the high priest. The high priest had an important role government and the Jewish religion. Next, influence of political on people's life. First, taxes and economics. The Roman government levied taxes on Jewish people and influenced the economy and daily life. Second, policy and security. The Roman government had strict security policies, including the use of the army and the death penalty. Third, cultural influence. Roman culture had a major influence on Jewish life, including in the fields of art, architecture, and language. What follows is a comparison between the context and the condition in New Testament times and today. The first includes political structures. Today's political structures are more complex and diverse with the existence of countries, nations, and international organizations. What follows is a comparison between the context and condition in New Testament times and today. The first includes political structures. Today's political structures are more complex and diverse with the existence of countries, nations, and international organizations. Second, technology and communication. Today, technology and communication allow broader and faster access to information, different from the New Testament era. The third is human rights. Today, human rights are more granted and protected by law, different from the New Testament era. The following are the benefits of context and political condition in the New Testament era. For me, discussing the political context and condition of the New Testament era can help me improve my understanding of the New Testament and how this text can be interpreted. Secondly, understanding the context and political condition in the New Testament era helped me improve my competence during my studies, so that when I was a student I would be good. The political context and condition in New Testament times helped me increase my spiritual understanding and awareness of the rules of religion in every life. The benefits of discussing the political context and condition for the Christian community. Discussing the political context and condition of New Testament times can help understand the message of the New Testament and how it is relevant to modern society. Understanding the context and political condition of the New Testament era helps understand Jesus' role as Messiah and how he interacted with society at the time. The New Testament can also help develop an awareness of social responsibility and how Christians can play a role in society. The benefits of discussing the political context and condition in New Testament times for the general public at large. First, increased understanding of history. Discusses the political context and condition in New Testament times help to increase understanding of history and how events of the time shapes modern society. Second, developing tolerance and dialogue. Understanding the context and condition in New Testament times help develop tolerance and dialogue between different groups in society. Third, raising awareness of the importance of justice. Discusses the political context and condition in New Testament times help raise awareness of the importance of justice and how justice can be implemented in society.